In this video, we're going over how to connect your AirPod or AirPod Pros to the LG Stylo 6. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post. Today we're going to show you how to connect your AirPod or AirPod Pros to the LG Stylo 6. First thing you want to do is swipe down from the top of the screen and look for this little icon. It's your Bluetooth icon. If you don't see it there, swipe down again and it should be somewhere in this list. Once you find the Bluetooth icon, just hold down on it. This will take you to the Bluetooth menu in the settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And next thing you'll want to do is grab your AirPods. Now, here's the thing. If you've never ever paired your AirPods before, the first time you open the case, you'll see a little light that will begin to flash inside the case. Now, if you have the Pros, the light is actually on the front. So the light is on the front for the Pros, and on the regular AirPods, the light is inside the case right here. Now, I have paired both of these to different devices, so it won't automatically begin to flash white, so I have to manually put it into the pairing mode. So what you're gonna do is on the back of your AirPods, there is a little button right here for the AirPods, and for the Pros, the button is right here, and it's a bit hard to see in the video, but if you flip the case over, you'll see a little circular button on the back. All we're gonna do is just hold down on that button and look at the light on the front, and you're gonna hold the button until that light begins to flash white. Open your case as well, and you can see now the little light is flashing. And again, sorry for the blurriness, trying to clean that up as we go. Now next, what you're gonna wanna do on your phone is tap on this little button in the corner. Now some of your phones might say scan, some of them might say search. This one just has a little arrow, so just tap on the arrow, and that'll put your phone into the mode where it's looking for new Bluetooth signals. Our new signal is now showing the AirPod Pros, so tap on AirPod Pros, tap pair, and there you go. Now you'll see AirPod Pros in the list here, and you're ready to take out your headphones and start listening to music. It's the same process for the regular AirPods. You're gonna hold down the button on the back until you see the light in the inside flashing white. Refresh that button at the top and you'll see AirPods show up on the list. Tap on it and you'll be connected and ready to go. I hope the video was helpful. Like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.